course, let's go to the top story we're talking right now, and let's start off with what is happening. Uttarakhand CM has said that the UCC would be implemented in October. That is right. He's made a statement and he said for population control, 8 to 9% only wanted the law to come, but majority lacked, so family law was not included. So we're getting these details coming in right now, where Uttarakhand could be implementing UCC in October. Now, this is something that we were expecting, in fact. And the UCC report is going to be out. Let's go ahead to Harsha, who's coming live for us. Harsha, take us to the latest detail that we have learnt of. And okay, we'll go to Harsha. Harsha, if you can hear me, I'm coming across to you. Big news, Uttarakhand to implement UCC in October.
राज्य सरकार का ये एक बहुत बड़ा कदम है यूसीसी को इम्प्लीमेंट करना, और यूसीसी के इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के लिए प्रतिबद्ध भी है, और एक्ट पास हो गया है, रूल बन रहे हैं, तो इसको लागू ही होना।
तारीख तय हुई है कि अक्टूबर में किस दिन पर इसको लागू किया जाएगा। और मैम, आज पूरे मीटिंग का, एक्सपर्ट कमेटी की पूरी बैठक का क्या ये उद्देश्य था कि लोगों को जानकारी मिले, अवेयरनेस हो इस लॉ के बारे में?
यस, ये भी एक पार्ट है, ट्रेनिंग एक पार्ट है, वो अभी शुरू होगा, उसमें और भी डिसेमिनेट की जाएगी इन्फॉर्मेशन, सारी जो बारीकियां हैं वो बताई जाएगी। लेकिन इस एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम मैं इतना कहना चाहती हूँ कि सभी के अधिकार सुरक्षित होंगे, सभी की निजता का इसमें ख्याल रखा गया है, और टेक्नोलॉजी के इस दौर में बहुत ही ईजी तरीके से रजिस्ट्रेशन होंगे, चाहे विवाह का रजिस्ट्रेशन है, तलाक का इंफॉर्मेशन है, इस तरह की जो सुविधा है वो पोर्टल में आपके एक क्लिक पे आपके फोन पे उपलब्ध।
मैम, लेकिन हलाला इद्दत जैसी चीजों को जो गलत मानता है, या यूसीसी में जो कहा गया है कि इसको बैन किया जाएगा मैम, लेकिन उसको लेकर के जो मुस्लिम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है उनमें मैम एक रिजर्वेशन है कि ये गलत है।
ये अभी शत्रुघ्न जी ने भी बताया कि जो भी इश्यूज हैं वो डिबेटेबल हो सकते हैं, लेकिन अब एक्ट पारित हो गया और उसके रूल बन रहे हैं, और कमेटी ने बहुत ही वाइड कंसल्टेशन के बाद ये सब काम किए, तो डिबेटेबल तो हमेशा ही होते हैं।
कोई सीआरपीसी की ऐसी धारा होगी क्या कि अगर मुस्लिम संगठन अगर पर्सनल लॉ को ही फॉलो करेंगे और यूसीसी के तहत इनको फॉलो नहीं करेंगे, पॉलीगैमी और हलाला को मानते रहेंगे, तो उनके खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई होगी क्या? ऐसा कुछ इम्प्लीमेंट?
ये अब रूल मेकिंग कमेटी अपना काम कर रही है, एक्ट में तो पारित हो गया है, अब रूल मेकिंग कमेटी में ये सारे प्रोविजंस बनाए गए हैं।
मैम, लिविंग कपल्स को लेकर के भी मैम संशय है सबके मन में कि उनकी प्राइवेसी जो है वो ब्रीच होगी, उनकी प्राइवेसी उन तक नहीं रहेगी। मैम, अगर एडुकेट ही करना था तो और भी तरीके हैं, यूसीसी में कानून क्यों बनाना कि 18 से 21 साल के तो बच्चे हैं, उनकी डिटेल्स उनके माता पिता को मिलेगी?
नहीं, देखिए, ये भी बहुत बड़े कंसल्टेशन के बाद ही ये बात आई है, कहीं सिक्योरिटी इश्यूज हैं, कहीं दूसरे इश्यूज हैं, और पूरी समिति ने इस बात का संज्ञान लिया है। किसी को लगता है हम लिव इन को एनकरेज कर रहे हैं, किसी को लगता है हमें रजिस्ट्रेशन वाली बात करके एक लीगल एम्बिट उनको नहीं देना चाहिए, तो ये सारे हमेशा से डिबेटेबल इश्यूज हैं, और उन पे हमारा जो मुख्य उद्देश्य था वो उनकी सुरक्षा का था। और जब आप इसको एक तरीका मानते हैं तो उसका रिवील करना कोई एक बात नहीं है, रजिस्ट्रेशन करके सिक्योरिटी प्रदान की जाए।
मैम, क्या एक मानती हैं कि यूसीसी जो उत्तराखंड सरकार का एक माइलस्टोन साबित होगा मैम, और स्टेट्स के लिए इसको एक रास्ता क्लियर होगा कि और स्टेट भी इसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाए?
देखिए, हमने तो वाइड कंसल्टेशन और बहुत ही एग्जॉस्टिव रीडिंग के साथ लोगों से बात करके, विद्वानों से बात करके ये काम किया है। अब वो अदर स्टेट हैं, अब उनके बारे में मैं नहीं कह सकती।
So as we were hearing, these are the experts of the committee, where they are clearly stated that how it is important to implement the UCC in Uttarakhand, and in the month of October UCC will be implemented. The date has not been finalized yet, but they clearly state that certain things which has been banned in the law, banned in the UCC in this law, like polygamy, like halala, like that they has to be followed, and the marriage age of the girls have been increased from 18 to 21 years, and now it will be followed. And they also state that if it not be followed, then the section of the IPCs will be implied. But we see several members of the committee are here, and they clearly state that Uttarakhand's UCC will be a landmark and a milestone, and the other states could easily follow it. And the committee members also state that how there is important to raise the awareness about the law amongst the public, amongst the citizen, and that is the reason why today this entire report has been uploaded and updated in the state website to everyone to know that what is the law all about and how it will function. So the functionaries are very important, and these instructors will also be telling that how this law will be stringently followed in the state of Uttarakhand. Back to you.
Well, take us through, Harsha, the key points of the UCC which could be implemented by October. It has a couple of important details, especially about polygamy. It is also special rules for live-in couples. Now, this is a system which will apply to all, and we have been seeing for the past few months now, in fact, couple of years, the debate over UCC. Take us through those key points.
As we are continuously trying to tell our viewers exactly what is the UCC law all about, and we'll try to speak to one of the expert committee people who are right now with us. Riddhi ma'am, if we can take one question with you, because you are live right now with us. Just one question about this UCC. Just one question regarding how the Uttarakhand government is looking into this UCC. Will it be a landmark for other states to follow this law, UCC, to go forward with it, as the centre is also planning to implement it and other states are also planning?
Definitely, this is a path-breaking initiative, and I'm sure, as our Honourable CM has desired, we would be in a position to implement the rules and the code, UCC code, by November max.
By November max.
The CM has desired that it should be ready by October, and we are in the process of completing all the formalities, all the trainings, uploading the desired material on the net for everybody to be aware of. And then maybe, yes, as the CM has desired, we'll be able to properly implement the code by October.
Ma'am, you're the part of the government right now. You're the Home Secretary right now. Ma'am, we just wanted to know how there are so many reservations among the Muslim women, among the entire Muslim bodies organization regarding polygamy, halala, iddat. How will government ensure that it is followed till the last village of the Uttarakhand, and stringently, if it will not be followed, then the section of the IPC will be applied to it? How will the government ensure that?
See, this is a new code, and there'll definitely be a lot of hesitation, a lot of queries among different communities. But as Shatrughan Singh sir has recently mentioned, that most of the stakeholders have been consulted, many stakeholders have been consulted, and we will definitely be organizing a widespread awareness campaign for all communities across the state, across all districts, so that they are aware of what the code states, so that there are no rumors which are spread and no misunderstandings or miscommunication is spread amongst the community.
One more thing, when we talk about the population control, there has been so many suggestions and recommendations from several people of the community that family control, population control should also be included in this uniform civil code. Why is it not in the uniform civil code?
See, I would not be the right authority to be commenting on this, because the committee has decided not to include this as a provision in the code.
So by October or by November, when we should expect it?
Definitely, as the Honourable CM has desired, by October we would be in a position to notify the rules, and yes, we'll be conducting trainings, hand-holding sessions, so that the portal can be fully utilized.
So this is Riddhim Agarwal, who is part of the government, and right now clearly states that by October and by the first week of November, the notification will come and the entire uniform civil code will be notified for people, and then finally it will be implemented in the state of Uttarakhand. The uniform civil code, which earlier in February only was passed in the state assembly, will now be implemented in the month of October. The date will soon be announced by the CM of the state. Back to you.
Right, Harsha, thank you for joining us with all those details. We'll be coming back to you as the story gets bigger. In fact, this is the big update coming in. UCC could be implemented by October this year. Let's go ahead to the other stories we're tracking. And that's the Karnataka Treasury loot scam, where the former minister B. Nagendra was picked up from his residence and taken by the EDs in ED custody right now. And we have a team of reporters who've been tracking this development very closely. One of my colleagues confronted B. Nagendra. Let's have a look at that confrontation.
ಸರ್ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ